Welcome to a facility where innovation meets tradition to create luxury goods from sustainable plant-based raw materials. The journey begins at the receiving dock, where organic waste fibers are unloaded for their initial quality assessment.
Each batch of raw plant matter must meet specific moisture and fiber density standards before entering the production.
Mechanical rollers exert immense pressure to separate the cellulose fibers from the soft plant tissue for further refinement.
Organic enzymes are introduced to break down natural sugars and proteins that could otherwise compromise the final product.
Centrifugal force quickly extracts moisture from the fibers, preparing them for the delicate carding and combing process next.
The carding machine aligns the individual plant fibers into a consistent web that precise adjustments to the machine speed ensure that the resulting fiber web maintains a consistent thickness and weight.
A proprietary bio-based resin is applied to the fibers to create a durable and flexible composite base material. High-temperature rollers compress the resin and fibers together to achieve a strength profile comparable to traditional animal hide.
The material must cure for 72 hours to allow the chemical bonds to fully stabilize before any finishing. Natural pigments derived from bark and berries are blended to create the signature colors of the luxury collection. Immersion dyeing ensures that the color penetrates through the entire thickness of the material for a lasting finish.
Laser sensors detect any variations in shade to maintain a perfect color match across every single production run.
Heated plates press intricate patterns into the surface to mimic the aesthetic and tactile feel of premium leather.
Manual quality checks ensure that every square inch of the material meets the standards required for luxury manufacturing.
The final coating provides essential protection against water and daily wear while maintaining the material's natural breathability today.
Computerized laser cutters minimize waste by optimizing the layout of bag patterns on the large material sheets provided.
The laser seals the edges of the material as it cuts, preventing any fraying during the assembly process.
Every piece of the bag is cataloged to ensure that all components for a single unit remain together. Skilled artisans oversee the automated stitching process to ensure that every seam is perfectly aligned and structurally sound. Zippers and hardware are attached with reinforced stitching to ensure long-term durability under heavy daily use today.
Multiple layers of edge paint are applied by hand to give the handles a smooth and polished look.
Controlled heat accelerates the drying of the edge finish, ensuring a durable bond that will not peel off. Holes are punched with extreme accuracy to ensure that the hardware sits perfectly flush against the bag surface.
The final branding is applied with care, marking the completion of the assembly phase for each luxury item.
Luxury is found in the details, including high-quality linings made entirely from recycled ocean-bound plastic waste. Handles must withstand significant tension forces to ensure they can carry the weight of the bag's contents easily. Steam treatments relax the fibers and ensure that the bag retains its intended shape and smooth surface finish. Every bag is carefully stuffed to prevent collapsing, ensuring it arrives at the customer in perfect retail condition. Organic cotton dust bags provide a final layer of luxury while protecting the vegan leather from surface scratches. The packaging is entirely plastic-free, reflecting the company's commitment to total environmental sustainability throughout the whole process. Consumers can scan a QR code to view the full traceability of their bag, from farm to factory. Finished goods are organized for distribution to high-end boutiques and eco-conscious consumers across the entire global market.
Ongoing research focuses on increasing the longevity of plant-based materials to exceed that of traditional animal leathers.
Natural fibers are selected for their inherent tensile strength and ability to bond with organic resins during processing. The factory operates on a closed-loop water system, ensuring zero chemical discharge into the surrounding environment today. Clean energy powers every machine in this facility, reducing the carbon footprint of every luxury bag produced here. Designers collaborate with engineers to ensure that every new bag style is optimized for sustainable manufacturing methods. Flexibility tests simulate years of use to ensure that the vegan leather will not crack or degrade over. Where machines cannot reach, the human hand takes over to ensure the highest level of craftsmanship and detail.
Renewable cork is another essential material used to provide unique textures and lightweight structures to the luxury bags.
Every ingredient used in the binding process must be certified as non-toxic and safe for the environment.
Heat sealing creates a permanent bond at the edges, preventing any moisture from entering the core fiber structure.
The facility maintains a steady production flow while adhering to strict ethical labor standards for all workers involved.
Real-time data allows the facility to manage its energy usage and maximize the efficiency of solar power.
The final cleaning removes any traces of the manufacturing process, leaving the bag ready for the consumer.
Even the smallest piece of hardware must be flawless to maintain the luxury status of the finished product. Using recycled materials for the interior is just as important as the sustainable material used for the exterior. High-speed photography helps engineers identify any mechanical issues that could cause imperfections in the stitching quality today.
Structural reinforcements are strategically placed to ensure the bag keeps its shape even when carrying heavy items daily.
Suction systems ensure that no loose threads or debris remain on the bag before it is boxed up.
Testing ensures that the luxury material remains unaffected by everyday chemicals that a consumer might encounter today.
Any plant waste that cannot be used in production is composted to support local agriculture and farms.
Each bag receives a unique serial number to prevent counterfeiting and allow for easy product identification later on.
Intricate hand weaving adds a unique artisanal touch that distinguishes the brand's luxury bags from mass-produced items. Rapid cooling sets the embossed texture, ensuring that the pattern remains sharp and defined over the bag's life. Choosing the right thread color is essential for creating a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing final luxury product.
Hardware protection ensures that the metal elements remain shiny and free from corrosion throughout the bag's lifespan.
Automation increases the speed of inspection while ensuring that every bag is viewed from every possible angle.
Maintaining a dust-free environment is critical for ensuring that the final finish on the bags remains perfect.
Professional imagery captures the texture and quality of the sustainable materials for customers around the whole world.
Efficient logistics ensure that the finished luxury goods reach their destination in the shortest possible amount of time. The search for new plant-based sources continues, with researchers investigating the potential of mushroom and grape waste. Flattening the seams ensures that the bag has a clean, professional look and a more comfortable feel today.
Light fastness testing ensures that the natural dyes will not fade when exposed to direct sunlight over many years. Sustainability extends to every piece of paper used in the packaging process, including the customer care guides.
Magnetic clasps are tested for their pull strength to ensure they provide a secure and satisfying closing mechanism.
The macro view reveals the incredible level of detail achieved through the modern embossing and finishing techniques today. Ergonomic aids protect workers from strain while handling the heavy rolls of material required for large-scale production.
Regular maintenance of the laser optics is essential for maintaining the precision required for luxury bag pattern cutting. A smooth shift change ensures that production continues without interruption while maintaining a high level of safety.
Interior branding is a mark of authenticity that provides consumers with confidence in the quality of their purchase.
Luxury bags must be lightweight yet durable, a balance achieved through the careful selection of plant-based materials.
The factory aims for zero waste by recycling all offcuts back into the initial stages of production today.
The showroom highlights the beauty of sustainable luxury, proving that high fashion and environmental ethics can coexist today.
Custom embroidery allows for a high degree of personalization for exclusive clients who desire a truly unique item. Correct thread tension is vital for preventing the material from puckering during the high-speed stitching process. Management maintains a close connection to the production floor to ensure that all ethical standards are being met. Protective films prevent any scratches from occurring during the final stages of packaging and international shipping today. Robotic assistance on the packaging line increases the overall efficiency of the final stage of the production process. Attention to detail in the packaging reflects the high quality of the luxury product contained within the box. Precise temperature control is essential for ensuring that the embossed texture is consistent across the entire material sheet. Sourcing raw materials from organic farms ensures that no harmful pesticides are used in the production process today. The global reach of the brand is supported by a highly efficient and sustainable logistics and distribution network.
Perfect alignment of the branding is a key requirement for maintaining the luxury aesthetic of the finished bag.
Thorough cleaning of the vats between colors prevents any contamination and ensures the purity of the next shade. The facility's goal is to be 100% carbon neutral through the use of renewable energy sources. Even the smallest particles are removed to ensure that the bag arrives in a pristine and flawless condition. The vibrant colors and high-quality finish prove that sustainable materials can meet the highest luxury fashion standards.
Production continues into the evening to meet the high demand for ethical and sustainable luxury goods around the world.
A commitment to worker well-being is a fundamental part of the factory's ethical and sustainable business model. Its regular replacement of needles ensures that the stitching quality remains consistently high across every single luxury bag produced.
Green spaces within the facility promote employee health and reflect the company's overall commitment to a sustainable lifestyle.
The tactile feel of the material is indistinguishable from traditional leather, providing a truly high-end consumer experience.
Sustainable luxury is now ready to be delivered to eco-conscious fashion lovers across the entire global marketplace today.
Constant monitoring of waste and recycling efforts ensures that the factory remains on track for its sustainability goals.
The transformation of plant waste into a high-end fashion accessory is a masterpiece of modern industrial engineering today.
This bag is a symbol of a new era in fashion, where luxury and ethics are perfectly combined.
Join the movement toward a more sustainable future by choosing luxury products that respect both people and planet.